Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just want to do a quick Ulta haul that I got from Ulta when I went with Katie. I already took them out of the boxes because I used them this morning and I wanted you guys to see how it looks. So this is the look that I came up with these. And it's two different, well, I guess it's three different eyeshadows. The first one is by ColourPop, and it is called Millionaire, which is funny because I say that's somebody having little to no money or something, which is perfect for me. And this is the sparkly color. It is really pretty, and it's kind of a neat way that it goes on. I mean, the lid is nice and tight, and they do say to keep the magic enclose the jar tightly after use. So I don't know if that's because it will do something, or I don't know, but it's Super Shocks Shadow, and it comes in the little box just like that. And they had all sorts of colors, and my daughter got a different color, and these were $5, very inexpensive. This next one I got is similar. This one is called Midnight Leaf, and this is what it looks like in the packaging, and it is an Ulta brand. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty dark and it is very sparkly, and it does have a plastic cover on it, and you can see how it gets kind of sparkly. And I left the plastic cover on it, but I used this one on my lid first, and then I used this, and you can see it didn't like really crease or anything, I don't think. As far as I can tell, it looks all right. And then the last thing I have is this metallic cream eyeshadow, again by Ulta, and there's a reason that I got the Ulta brand stuff. And then you open it up, and it's like a lip gloss, kind of an applicator. And I totally took it and rubbed it against the side. And it's interesting to me that it's not there now. It's not on the side, but I mean, well, it is from where I just did it, but it like leaves a big glop of eyeshadow on it. Like that, if you can see that. But then I put it on and it kind of goes on like as a cream, but then it kind of dries into a powder almost, and it is a metallic-y. It's a really weird place to do it, but and it does rub off, but I put this on last, but you can see it leaves sparkle. Hopefully you can see that. Even if I rub it off, the sparkle remains, which is kind of cool. I like the sparkles. And then the reason I got the two Ulta things, that I bought my daughter a lip gloss, I had to spend $19 worth of stuff, and then you got a bag free. And you can either pick this sparkly bag or a rose gold bag, and this is going on right now, at least at my Ulta. And I picked, obviously, the sparkly bag, and it has all of these goodies on the inside, including a $5 coupon. So off any Ulta Beauty collection, cosmetic or brush purchase of $15 or more, you have to use it by the end of October. So gives you some time, but I haven't even opened this yet. Katie kind of looked through it a little bit, but she didn't open it. So let's see what's in here. We have a brow tint in medium, a Limitless Lashes mascara, a gel eyeliner in black, two brushes, like an eyeshadow brush and a blush brush, matte makeup setting spray. This one is Stay Fierce. I don't know if it's like a blush stick or what, but it's in the color Stay Fierce. I think it's a blush. Does it say on there? If it says, I can't read it, but I don't think it says, but that's what my guess is. Also a matte metallic liquid lipstick. And it looks like it's in the color number 208, but it doesn't really say what color it is. But it looks kind of cool. I think I could pull that off. And there is a tinted eye primer. Lots of goodies in here. And then there is a little box. There's two of these. There's a small one and a big one, so I don't know what these are. Looks like I have to open them to find out. Oh, there's a bronzer and an illuminator. And then this one. All sorts of goodies, my goodness. So this was free with a $19 purchase. Oh goodness, oh these are pretty. Some autumn colors and some metallics and then that nice plum. The colors are Petite, Plum Pop, Pinup Girl, Nutmeg, Autumn Spice, and Whatevs. So those are cute. And then you got a little foam applicator. And then last but not least were these makeup removers. So there's 5 pre-moistened towelettes. So this is like a perfect to-go kit with everything that you might need, at least as far as I'm concerned. Everything that I would need is in here. So that's really cool. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that maybe this inspires you to hop on over to Ulta and get yourself a little kit because it is adorable. So thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.